In today's video, I'll be showing you how to transfer, or basically how to transfer your money from Binance to Deriv, all right? Yeah, so maybe you've deposited your money in Binance and you're wondering how you can get this money to reflect in Deriv. This is how you do it. So first things first, you have to ensure you have the Deriv app, all right? So you can find it on App Store or Play Store. Once you download it, okay, you come to Portfolio. Once you come to Portfolio, now this is what I want you to do. So we want to the thing we want to do currently, we want to deposit, all right? Because you want to deposit money that you have in Binance to Deriv. So we'll come to the Deriv app, come and click on deposit. Once you click on deposit like that, you come and select how the type of crypto you want to deposit. So for us, we'll select USDT, okay? You come and select the network, okay, TRC20, and then you'll see the deposit address has changed. Just say got it, and then you copy, all right? You copy that address. Once you copy that address, I want you now to go to Binance, all right? So it's Binance. Let's go to Binance. So you come to Binance. When you come to Binance, now we want to send our funds from Binance to Deriv. So you come to Binance, come and click on assets, okay? As you can see right here, I've clicked on assets. Once you click on assets on Binance, just come and click on send, because we want to send our money from here to Deriv, all right? And then come and select withdraw asset, and then you'll see withdraw crypto from Binance to other exchanges or wallets. That is exactly what you want to do. So come and click on it. Now, once you click on it, okay, this is a very first step. Come and click on the coin you had selected on Deriv, and then come and paste the address you got from Deriv. So we had an address you got from Deriv. Come and paste it there. Once you paste it there, yeah, so you come and select that coin again, TRC20, all right? Yeah, once you select it like that, click on next. Okay, you'll be directed here next. Now you select what amount do you want to deposit? Do you want to deposit 10, 20, all right? So let's say you want to deposit 20, just come and put 20 like that, and then click on withdraw. Okay, now once you click on withdraw, you'll be told to confirm order. So if you want to, yeah, so just confirm everything is okay, your address, the network is okay. So after that, just slide this, all right? So slide this down at the bottom here like this, boom. Once you slide that, yeah, so you're basically done, all right? So wait for a confirmation. So yeah, this is where you can input your passkey and you're done. Okay, so even before you continue, if you're wondering what is a passkey, so basically a passkey is a passwordless login system that uses public key cryptography for secure authentication. Okay, it relies on two keys: a private key stored securely on your device, the one you're using, and a public key saved by the platform you're logging into, which is Binance. So when you log in, you verify your identity. You can either use your fingerprint, your Face ID, or a PIN, all right? Yeah, this private key remains on your device, ensuring security and ease of use. So ensure, especially when if it is your first time, yeah, ensure you create a passkey, okay? They'll actually assist you with that. Or yeah, basically you can either use a fingerprint or your Face ID, but they'll give you directions on that. If you do not have a passkey, let's say using an iPhone or yeah, any phone that refuses to give you a passkey, you can go and download an app called the Authenticator app, and it will guide you further, all right? But don't worry about that. Binance will guide you on all that, okay? All right, let us get directly back into the video. Confirm, okay. So, and basically, like that, we'll wait, and yeah, there it is, withdraw processing. So soon enough, you'll see it reflect in your Deriv account. It is that simple. Withdrawing via crypto from Binance to Deriv is actually the easiest way, okay? Yeah, so I hope you have understood the process. In case something has confused you, you can let us know down in the description, and we'll be able to provide further guidance and further assistance. But that is basically how you withdraw from, or basically you transfer your money from Binance to Deriv. Okay, yeah, as you can see, they are very thorough in terms of security. They ensure they confirm again and again that it is you, and it is very secure. And that is one thing I love about this withdrawal method. Okay, yeah, but from that, guys, thank you very much for watching this video. And yeah, and please ensure you like and subscribe. To contact us, as I said, guys, please use our Telegram number and our email that are down in the description, so that you can be able to reach you quite conveniently. Okay, and yeah, so this method is instant, no delays. There is no waiting times. Please avoid payment agents. I repeat and repeat again, avoid payment agents. Most of them will do you badly, okay? I've experienced the same actually last month, so don't use payment agents, okay? Just use Binance. It is fast, it is convenient, and it is secure, most importantly. If you do not have a Binance account, use the link in the description, create an account, so that at least you will not miss out on this, okay? So apart from that, guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Keep on trading, keep on pushing, and let us meet in the next one. Cheers.